Welcome back to Mason Capital. Today, GameStop released their NFT Marketplace, and what we're going to do today is we're going to go through and check it out. Let's get into the video. So the first thing that you go to when you go on the GameStop NFT Marketplace is you click on the Explore button. Now, when you click the Collections button, there are a set of NFTs that have a large amount of different NFTs you can choose from. For example, as we could see with this project called Interdimensional Loop Cats, we have a set of 1,000 NFTs that come in all different kinds of styles and attributes. Also, on the GameStop NFT Marketplace, you are able to filter through. So we will go through and see, for example, what is the most liked. After finding the most liked one, which of course is 420, right? We could see that the price has been set at 4.2 Ethereum, or about $4,500. Now, this is only one project, and there are thousands of projects you can choose from. And just remember, you don't have to spend thousands of dollars to purchase your first NFT. If we go to the NFT section on the Explore page, we're given individual NFTs to choose from. And once again, we can choose from the filter list and see exactly what is selling right now, or what is the cheapest price or highest price. As we can see, we have NFTs starting at 5 cents. So no, you don't have to spend thousands of dollars to own your first NFT. Now, prices will depend on, for example, if there are partnerships with big companies, like for example, let's say if Microsoft had a deal with GameStop and they came out with Halo NFTs, I'm sure they wouldn't be as cheap as 5 cents, because you are able to sell this at a later point, and it's also a collectible. So either way, it's quite interesting to see what they're going to do. Obviously, there's no announcement yet that they're going to make a Halo NFT, but I'm pretty sure in the future something similar is going to come out to it. So now to the stats page. Here you could see what NFTs are popular at the moment. As you can see, MetaBoy, a project I've never heard of, has done most volume on the platform in the last 24 hours. The stats page is great to see what projects are popular at the moment. Who knows? Maybe one project you own will suddenly become popular one day. Anyways, this is a good place to check out projects that are popular at the moment and give you ideas on what's available for you to purchase. I think it's worth mentioning that GameStop has done over $1 million in their first day of trading. Now that's pretty unbelievable considering Coinbase has only done about 1.6 million. So they're on track to beat Coinbase within their first week just in volume. So who knows how successful this will be, but it's looking to be very good for GameStop holders. Immutable X is another blockchain built on Ethereum. The fees are extremely cheap and provides games and users with the ability to buy and sell items. Some of the most popular games are built on Immutable X. For example, Gods Unchained. Gods Unchained is my first blockchain game that I played, and I gotta say it's still one of the most popular games today. The fact that you can own cards and collect cards and sell them and also earn tokens that you can convert to real dollars is pretty revolutionary. Hopefully in the future we could see different type of, gaming companies integrate this NFT feature or token feature so that players can actually earn while they play. My recommendation to you guys is to check out Immutable X when it launches on the GameStop NFT Marketplace, because you will receive cheaper fees and also you'll be having access to all different types of games as well as items. Now, if you want to check out Gods Unchained, click the link down below. It's free to play and you can try it out and see how you like it. Final thoughts, GameStop NFT can actually provide a significant source of revenue for not only GameStop, but also increase their cash flow. As GameStop NFT grows, I'm excited to see what type of partners and partnerships they have and what type of NFT collections are going to come out, because who knows, we might see some of the most popular games and companies come and partner with GameStop to release some type of NFT collection. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you could subscribe down below, it'd be greatly appreciated, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Want a step-by-step guide on how you can set up your GameStop NFT wallet? Click here and learn how.